Guys, what is going on? Welcome back. You guys ready to take a tour of the Rip Van Winkle Bridge? This is going to be one of the best tours yet, so definitely stay tuned.
How's it going? 175? All right, thank you. Have a good one. You too.
All right, guys, so we just paid our 175. That's if you're paying cash, if you're coming from Catskill or I-87 to cross the bridge, if you're going on the Hudson side of the Hudson River. Either way, there might sometimes be parking on this side. I'm not sure if it's available all the time. Don't comment below if you know that answer. But we're going to go to the other side, park there. We're going to take a walk across the bridge. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful scene. So stay tuned and subscribe if you're new here. And we will see you on the next video. But definitely enjoy this video. Comment below. Let us know what you think. We'll see you soon. So guys, it's a little bit of a walk. We haven't even hit the bridge yet, and look at these views. It is crazy. Also, there's like a winery or something up here. You'll check it out, you'll see the sign. Definitely worth coming checking out.
right there. Yeah, I'm not quite sure.
Might be the Kingston Rhinecliff Bridge. For that.
Yeah. Nice view. Yeah. Have a good one, man.
All right, we're only about halfway through this. This is a long walk, but I'll tell you right now, some great views. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. If you could do us a favor and just hit that like button, comment below, let us know what you think. If you're new here, subscribe. And also, if you are one of our current subscribers, if you could just do us a favor and maybe recommend our channel to one of your friends, family, whoever you think might like this. We're trying to get this 1,000 subscriber mark so we can get monetized, and then we go to the next level and we can give you guys better content. We are looking forward to that. So we appreciate all the support, and let's get back to the video. And there it is, guys. We made it across the bridge. It was a great adventure. What a great walk, you know. We want to take more trips like this. It's amazing. Personally, I have driven over this bridge many, many times, and never have I stopped to take a walk over it. So I'm glad to share that experience with you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And we're going to sign off from here. We will see you on the next one, and have a great day. Peace.